Hi, for this, let's make this sweet jambalaya rice. First of all, you're going to add some oil and then some well seasoned marinated chicken breast. You're going to fry that set aside, fry your marinated shrimp set aside, and of course, your sausage. So, after that, you're going to fry your veggies and season it lightly, then you will serve that aside too. So, in another pot, you're going to add some oil, onions, ginger and garlic paste, some mixed pepper, seasoning, salt, and of course my Creole mix from Billy O9 spices. Add in my washed rice and water enough to cook the rice, some curry and thyme, paprika for the color. Stir that, cover and allow it to cook until completely done, just like this. So you're going to add this back into your fried veggies or low heat, and you're just going to stir everything together like that. So after that, you're going to introduce your proteins, my chicken breast, my sausage, the shrimp, and you're going to give that a very good mix. Okay, so the last ingredient you're going to add is your green onions, the spring onions, and then give that a good stir and your rice is done. Bye.